Good morning, children. Now in the last class we started the chapter 2, Poe. Now who was Poe? Poe was the grandmother of this author. The author is writing this, his life history, one part of his life history about his grandmother Poe, who took great care of him, who loved him very much. And especially you remember when Poe met the author for the first time, he was only 2.5 months old. And as soon as he came to this strange place, his mother had brought him to show the newborn baby to her friends and relatives at Taiwan. The place is in Taipei in Taiwan. So they came there, and at first sight itself the baby started crying. And mother was feeling very tired. Exhausted means very tired after 15-hour flight. So she went to take rest. And this grandmother was the one who took this baby, walked with him up and down, did not sleep at night, and tried to stop his crying. Then his mother got a job, yes, a teaching job at a university in Taiwan. Again they came back to the grandpa's house. And now this time when he came there, he had a severe nose bleeding problem, isn't it? And they went to a Chinese doctor. He gave a medicine, and this medicine had to be prepared, yes. So grandmother used to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, take the correct measurement of the herbs that is given, and then put it on a low flame. For 4 hours she had to cook the medicine, and then each day one pack of the herbs for every 4 hours every day became a ritual for mom and Poe. And mom, because she had lots of work from school pending at home, she had to do so much assignments at home. So grandmother said, I will look after the baby, I will prepare the medicine and make him drink it. So we have reached there. Now in section 2, it was very difficult to make me drink 3 times a day after meals the dark brown liquid made from all the herbs. In the picture you can see the boy and the grandmother trying to make him drink the medicine. All of you, when you all are children, was like this only, isn't it? Yes, your parents or your grandparents must have had a very hard time making you take the medicines. So I am sure it was the most horrible tasting medicine that anybody has ever had to take. The taste was very horrible, a very bad taste, because it was only plants, herbs. I was only 2 years old and was way beyond reasoning. Poor boy, he was only 2 years old, and we could not, the grandparents, the grandmother and the mother could not tell him that you must drink this medicine, only then your sickness will go. He will not understand anything. After all, he was only 2 years old. Beyond reasoning means what? Not able to understand why something was important. It took Poe great effort and patience to get the medicine carefully prepared. And it took Poe even greater effort, along with some magic, to actually manage to get the yucky liquid into that stubborn little mouth of mine 3 times a day. So he had to take the medicine 3 times a day. And it was very, very hard for this grandmother to make him drink the medicine. That is, making the medicine, preparing the medicine was easy, but making him drink it was more difficult. So by the end of the 8th month, I was completely cured. That is, completely cured means his sickness had gone, the bleeding nose had stopped. Poe, on the other hand, had lost about 20 pounds. So poor grandmother, Poe, she had lost her weight by 20 pounds by looking after the boy. Preparing the medicine, making him drink it 3 times a day was very, very tough time for her. And pounds means what? The unit for measuring weight. 1 pound is a little less than half a kilogram. And yucky liquid means the disgusting medicine, the horrible medicine. Though we returned to America after 1 year, Poe and I have met many times since. So after that they went back to America. Mom continued to go back to Taiwan for short-term teaching assignments. So after that, once they were in America, his mother used to come and go to Taiwan for teaching assignments. So she took me with her at least once a year, and we got to spend a lot of time with Po on each visit. So once a year they came back to Taiwan to her grandpa's house. Every time we came back to the States is the United States of America, our suitcases would be overflowing with food, clothes and toys that Po had bought for us. So each time they came for the holidays to Taiwan, and when they returned back, their bags and suitcases would be full of food, clothes, toys which Po had bought for them. When Po saw us off at the airport, I could not hide my feelings very well. That is, he was feeling very sad to leave Po and go back to America. Trying to cheer me up, Po said, "Don't be sad, Abby. We'll see each other again sooner than you think." So she is calling the child Abby. The Abby is the short form for Abraham. So she said, "Don't be sad. We will meet again sooner than you think. Besides, we'll always be together in our hearts. You'll always be in my heart. You are my loving grandchild, isn't it?" However, I detected some shakiness in Po's voice and tears in Po's eyes. So Po also was feeling very sad because she was very fond of this grandchild and they were going back to America. So there were tears in her eyes and her voice was shaking, was trembling with sadness. Po was invited by Mom and Dad to come visit us in the States. So his parents invited Po to come to America to see them. I was so excited that I could not sleep the night before. So the night before she came, the poor boy, he was not able to see it. He was so happy because he knew he was going to meet Po the next day. So he could not sleep at all. The day Po arrived, Mom and Dad took me to the San Francisco International Airport. You can see in the picture the airport, the Po is arriving. You can see Mom, Dad and the author. I was going to give Po a big hug, but Po called out, "Oh, be careful, Abby. I've got my hands full." And what can you see in her hand, children? Yes, Abby ran forward to give her a big hug, but she said, "Be careful, don't come too near. I have got something in my hand." And what is it? In Po's hands was my favorite Chinese pastry that weighed about 30 pounds. So in her hand she was carrying a very big Chinese pastry of 30 pounds. Po had insisted on hand carrying it halfway around the world so that the delicious and delicate pastry would stay fresh and look nice, not squeezed or smashed. Poor thing, in her flight she had to keep it in her hand itself. Yes, she could not keep it down or she could not put it in a box. What will happen? It will be all smashed up or squeezed. Then the taste would be gone, isn't it? I could just write a whole book about the nice things that Po has done for me, but I can never fully express my appreciation for Po. So the author is telling, I can write a very full book, a big book on Po, how she looked after me, how she loved me, about describing various incidents that took place in his life. Po is the most caring and loving person that I have ever known besides my own parents. So after his parents, after his mother and father, Po was the most loving and caring person that he had ever known. And by the way, Po is 72 years old now. She is the mother of my mother. She is the mother of my mother means she is my mother's mother. That means his grandmother. And she is 72 years old now. As a matter of fact, Po is the Chinese word for grandma. So Po means grandma in Chinese. Now tick the correct answers. Number 1, what happened when the author met Po for the first time? A. He cried most of the night. B. He felt sick. C. They had a quarrel. It is A. He cried most of the night. Second one, the second time the author met Poe was when A. She came to visit his family in America. B. His mother took him to live in Taiwan for a year. And C. She was very unwell. B is the answer. Third one, it was difficult for Poe to prepare the author's medicine because A. It was a long process that had to be repeated every morning. B. The author's mother refused to help her. And C. Poe did not like to prepare the medicine. Here A is the answer. It was a long process that had to be repeated every morning. Fourth one, when the author tried to hug Poe at the airport, she A. refused because she did not like hugs. B. dropped everything and hugged him back. C. told him to be careful as she was carrying his favorite pastry. It is C. Told him to be careful as she was carrying his favorite pastry. Fifth one, I could write a whole book about Poe means the author could write a lot about Poe. B. was going to write about Poe. C. had made diary entries on Poe. It is A. could write a lot about Poe. Then E. complete these sentences about the story. Write them in your notebook. Number 1. When the author first met Poe, his mom was too exhausted to calm him down. 2. The author lived with Poe for 1 year in Taipei in Taiwan. 3. The author's mother would often visit Taiwan on teaching assignments. 4. Mom and Poe were worried about the author because he had a severe nose bleeding problem. 5. Poe helped the author by preparing and making him drink the medicine till he was cured. 6. Poe came to America hand carrying a 30-pound Chinese pastry. And 7. Poe was actually the author's grandmother. So I will be sending you all the picture of all these children. Read the lesson well, study the new words given, and then copy these correctly. Thank you.